Dog. The dog lives at home. Cat. The mouse has a long tail. Mouse. Canary. Canary. The rabbit eats carrots. The rabbit has 2 long ears. Snail. Snail. The iguana lives in the trees. Frog. Parrot. Turtle. The turtle has a very hard shell.